So andito tayo ngayon sa Woodsville Viverde Mansions in Barangay Merville, Parañaque City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, Woodsville Viverde Mansions, around 51 square meters, 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. Ito parang powder room niya, and then may bathroom tayo dito na isa. Ayan, very spacious. This is a corner unit, and this is around 4.8 million. That's the regular price. Discounted price is around 3.8 million. Ito yung bedroom 1. City view. And then meron din siyang access to the bathroom. Yan. So as you can see, medyo may mga ipapaayos dito, like yung flooring niya. Ayan. Ano na, sira na, kailangan ng palitan yan. And then tong kitchen niya. Ayan. Cabinets niya, kailangan na rin siyang ayusin. Ito yung pinaka living and dining area. And then bedroom 2. Kailangan na rin palitan tong flooring niya. This is below market and zonal value, around 3.8 or 3.9 million. Meron siyang access to the balcony, facing other towers. Yan, pre-selling po yan. Dito rin po sa Woodsville. So this is available in cash, or at least 20% spot down payment, and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is as is where is upon turnover, and usually first come first serve po tayo dito. So if you are interested, message us directly. Ayan. Malapit po tayo sa airport, Makati, and BGC. Kaya siya ng 15 to 20 minutes drive on a normal day, yung hindi rush hour. And then malapit din tayo sa SLEX, Bicutan exit. So again, if you're interested, message us directly.